What is up everyone? Welcome back to our channel. This tutorial will guide you through the process of turning off end-to-end encryptions and Messenger for 2024. While end-to-end encryption provides a layer of security for your conversations, there may be times when you want to disable this feature. Follow the steps to successfully remove end-to-end encryption from your Messenger app. Locate and launch the Messenger app on your device. While you are in the Messenger app, tap on your three horizontal lines in the top left corner to access your account settings, since mine is Android. But if you are using iPhone devices, it will be a different setting just in case so that you are aware where to find your settings in Messenger on iPhone. After that, tap the settings. While we are in the settings tab, scroll down and select the privacy and safety option. In the privacy and safety tab, tap end-to-end encrypted chats. After that, tap Security Alerts, and the Security Alerts tab, tap Manage Security Alerts. While we are in the Manage Security Alerts, toggle off your devices or key change. This enables you to turn off end-to-end encryption and Messenger, and by following the steps, you have successfully removed end-to-end encryption from your Messenger app. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.